What's up? This is another video from the Street Circumstance page. So today what I'm gonna do is change my light setup. Okay, this looked too old on me, so I wanna switch it up. It was just a test subject. Yeah, it got me to a lot of troubles with the metros and the Jealous Boy, so I'm gonna switch this up. I'm gonna think of something new as I'm busy with it. So I'll see what I can do to make it look better. So yeah, that's the task for today. Switching up the headlight look. So let's get to it. Yeah, so I got the lights off, so I'm just gonna quickly wipe them down and then we'll start working. Just wanna wipe them down a bit before taking out the lenses, and then we'll work on them just now. is what's gonna happen. So I'm gonna spray paint these two headlights, this ring's red, and then I'm gonna spray paint this one black. So I don't know how it's gonna look, but I'll just take my chances. But I know for sure the red headlight rings used to look kind of cool because I've done it before. So you can see the remains from the red. So I've done it before and they looked fine, but it's just that the rings were still chrome. So I'm gonna try with the black rings and then red rings for the headlights. Then I'll see what's gonna happen. So yeah, let's get to it. So while I wait for the rings to dry up, I'm just gonna quickly try and remove this glue that I smudged here carelessly when I first opened the lights up. So yeah, let me get to it. Yep, we're done. So I just finished cleaning up and assembled everything. So this will be the new look, or should I say the outcome, what we were doing today. So as you see, yeah, not bad if I say so myself, but yeah, this will be the new look. So I'm just waiting on a guy who fixes rim to have a gap for me so I can fix the spent rim. Then yeah, I can move the car to start driving around and taking pictures. So yeah, this is it guys. So thank you for watching another vlog. Like, share and subscribe for more videos actually. Yeah, like, share and subscribe. Ciao.